Hello everyone, it's Sherry. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here to share some goodies that I received from my family and some Dollar Tree goodies. So yeah, it's pretty cool when your family gets you and they send you things for your junk journals and things like that. So I was going to show you, first of all, let me show you this right here. This is a package I received from my mom, and she once in a while will save up. Well, she saves up her cards, and then once in a while she'll give them to me, like when I go down to Florida. My parents live in Florida, so when I go to Florida, she'll give me a stack, or this time she mailed them to me because she wanted to declutter. Didn't want to wait for me to come down again. So I just wanted to share with you. There's so many things you can do with cards, right? You can cut them out, fussy cut the little pieces, or you can use the whole card. You can cut out little sentiments and just so many things you can do. Like this one has little airplanes and little, stickers here, and this even has a little wire on it. Flowers, just so many little pieces and things and pretty things you can use. From cards, you can make new cards or journaling cards or tags, or use them in your journals or whatever, all types of paper crafting. So, yep, my mom sent me all these cards to use, so I will be using them in future crafting. So yeah, there's a bunch there, as you can see. Oh, I want to show you this one. It's pretty cool. She cuts off the backs for the personal part of it, but you can use the backs too. If you have some with the backs, you can either use it just as a piece of cardstock and then cover over it with other papers or whatever, or you can just cut out the sentiments or something. But anyway, this one's cool because it has these cardinals on the front, and if it was a card, you would be opening it up, and there you see more pretty cardinals. I just thought that one was really cool. This little ribbon was in the package, so all of that will be used in my future crafting. And then my sister-in-law, I have two sister-in-laws. One lives in North Carolina, one in Florida, and my sister-in-law in Florida sent me this little package, and she made this card, and here's a little sentiment inside that she wrote me, a little note there. And then it's a card, it's a book, little golden book. She knows I like little golden books, but this is one of the first little golden books, not the minis, but the in between size. And it's my little mother goose, it says here. And so she sent me this for my Mimi's bookshelf, which is my little bookshelf I have in the other room for when my first grandchild, Riley, gets older, a little older. She can toddle in there and pick out a book that we can read together, or she can read with her Poppy, which is what my husband decided he wanted to be called. So, yeah, it's a cute little book, vintage little Mother Goose book, and super cute. It's, let's see, the copyright was 1961. So yep, that's for my little Mimi's bookshelf. So that was a family happy mail this week. And then these things I picked up from Dollar Tree. Sometimes I'll show you the things I pick up at Dollar Tree just when I'm using them, and I'll say, hey, I got this at Dollar Tree. But I haven't used these things yet, and I want to put them away. So I thought, well, let me just go ahead and show you what I got, because like this was different from anything I'd seen in the Crafter Square section of Dollar Tree. And it's a stencil that has cookbook or recipe related stencil in here. And if there's any glare, sorry, I'll try to hold it without glare. But so cool. I thought this had at least two uses besides stenciling. You could actually use this as a pattern and like draw these onto cardstock and cut them out. I mean, if you have, maybe, I know a lot of people have cutting things where they cut them out with a Cricut or whatever. But I mean, now that I have a Cricut that my sister-in-law gave me, my North Carolina sister-in-law gave me that. And she, but I don't think I have anything cookbook related like this. So anyway, for $1, I thought that was really cute, and I would definitely be using that next time I make a cookbook journal. And then also for cookbook journals, I found these little notepads. I got two of them because I love them so much, and I was tempted to buy other ones there. Sometimes they get the cutest little notepads in there, and I just have to be like, no, Sherry, you don't need all of those. But this one says, let's get cooking with a fork and a knife, the lines, a blue, you know, border there, and then up down here is the cutest part. And let me show you without any glare if possible, but it's got a salt and pepper shaker and then a little like spatula, the whisk, and a spoon there. I just thought that was so adorable. So those will be in, I'll be putting those into my cookbook journals. And then you've seen me use the pink ones I've been using a lot lately because I just love this color for goodie bags for my journals. But I also picked up a green and a yellow while I was there because sometimes they'll have these and then sometimes they won't have any. So it's just like anything else at Dollar Tree. When you see it, you got to get it, because if you don't get it, then you wait until you need it. Then when you go to get it, it's not there. So that's been my experience anyway. So I just go ahead whenever I see it. If I really feel like I'm going to use it, you know, I try not to pick up too much things that I'm not going to, you know, that I just try not to go overboard is what I'm saying, because you can really go overboard at Dollar Tree sometimes. But try to get the things I'm really going to use, you know. So speaking of things I'm really going to use, I've got some fabric here, and this is the first time I've seen a bunch at Dollar Tree. Like, I started seeing it a few months ago, but I saw like 2 pieces left. I don't know if there was more, but when I was there, there was 2 pieces, and I bought the 2 pieces. And the second time I was there, and they had like 5 pieces, and I bought the 5 pieces. And then they had this new batch in with this like really pretty spring colors. Maybe it came in with the spring or Easter stuff, I don't know, but so pretty. So I picked up one of each, and it's really, I think they're fat quarter size, and I like them because besides the colors and the size, is that at my Walmart, one fat quarter, there's 2 different prices. There's one that's $1.49 and one that's $1.97. So, you know, that's not a bad price, I guess, but $1's even better. So why not get a few from Dollar Tree? And these colors, I thought pretty much all kind of went together. Like, look at these 2. Wouldn't those be cute together? See the blue in here? Those are cute together. And these, let's see, what was it? These 4 could all possibly go together. And then this has a yellow flower, and that's yellow. And then just like this, these 2. And this really all, like I said, I think I said all these 4 would look good together too. Anyway, hopefully I'll be using these in a future. Oh, and let me tell you, this one, I didn't even tell you the most important thing. This pink one has a bunny on it. I need to open this up and show you. This one I'm going to have to open up, I think, and show you. Yes, definitely. So you can see the bunny, because you can't see it really good rolled up. But this one has a bunny on it. There we go. It's light, but it's a little white outlined bunny. See that? Isn't that cute? So adorable. Anyway, I had to get that one. Don't have any bunny fabric. That's my first bunny fabric, I think. But yeah, so Easter spring journals there, possibly. And so yeah, that was everything I had to show you. So I hope you enjoyed those few goodies. Now I can put them away into my video and share them with you. So I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching today. I really appreciate it. And happy crafting.